Good morning and welcome to Equipment Remarketing. Today we're taking a look at a 2020 Transcraft 48 by 102 sliding tandem aluminum combo with a universal mounting kit on it. As we come down the passenger side here, you can see it has a brand new buyer's box also on this brand new Transcraft sliding tandem. Brand new tires. FET has been paid on these units here. We have 3 available currently. This is an air ride suspension. As we get to the back here, you can see what makes this unit unique. This has a universal mounting kit. We'll carry a Moffett, Princeton, Loadmac, and many other brands. As you can see, the condition of this brand new trailer is phenomenal. It'll be beautiful for your fleet, folks. As we come down the driver's side, as you can see, this unit is absolutely beautiful. Brand new tires, all new brakes, drums, everything is new on this unit. This unit does come equipped with brand new straps with it also. As we come to the front of the trailer, I just want to thank you for your time. Give us a call at Equipment Remarketing, 260-238-4998. Come take a look at package deals. We have Moffetts, Princetons, many other brands of lifts to go with our trucks and trailers. You can take a look at our used inventory, and you can also take a look at our 2020s that are brand new. FET has been paid and taken care of for you. Give us a call. Visit us at 99lifts.com. Thank you very much.